Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. So this video will be only on this hairstyle. I did a sleek ponytail. So let's get right into this video. Alright you guys, so to get started, I'm going to first be brushing my hair just to take out any tangling. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my bundle, and this is from Eullair hair. This is their Brazilian body wave, and this one is in 16 inches. It's very nice and thick hair. It's very soft. I haven't got any shedding, any tangling so far. Alright, so next I'm just going to take this dirty old brush and I'm just going to dip straight into my Eco Styler gel, and it's the one with argan oil, and I'm just going to brush and sleek down my hair. So I'm just going to brush my hair, and I was actually just thinking about sleeking my hair just straight back, but then I decided to add a side part. So here you guys can see me adding a side part and I'm just going to use a rat tail comb, and after I part it, I'm just going to continue to pick up a lot of gel and sleek it down. So next I'm just going to take my freeze spray and just spray my hair just to make sure I have no hair sticking up. And I'm going to tie my hair with 2 hair bows because I like my ponytail to be super tight. And I'm going to continue just to sleek down my hair to make sure everything is laying flat. So now that everything is nice and smooth, I'm just going to take my bundle and I'm going to take a little piece at the end, and this is what's going to hold this track in place. I'm going to add some gel to this piece and spray it with some freeze spray just so it'll hold a little better. So now I'm just going to take that little piece of hair and start wrapping it around my hair. And I actually left my real hair out to do this ponytail. It's whatever, it didn't show or anything, so yeah. So I'm just going to take that and wrap it around really tight. And now I'm just going to start wrapping the hair around, and I love this body wave texture for my ponytails. I think it's just really pretty. So I did wrap around the whole 16-inch bundle. It did give me the fullness that I was looking for with just one bundle. So once I'm finished, I'm just going to take a good amount of hair and I'm going to apply some gel to it. And I'm also going to add some freeze spray. I want this piece to be nice and sleek and smooth because it's going to be the piece that's going to cover up the tracks. So all I'm going to do now is wrap it around. And once I'm done wrapping around at the end, I spray more spray, and I'm going to tuck this little piece in between my hair bow and my head. So this is how the ponytail is looking, and I love it with this body wave texture. I am getting into my ponytails again. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some mini bobby pins. I'm going to add 2 of them just to make sure it is nice and secured, okay? And I'm just loving it. Y'all know I've been rocking ponytails this whole year, honestly. That has been my go-to hairstyle, and I'm slowly getting back into it. So if you guys see me having a ponytail more often, then I'm just loving it all over again. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little hairstyle tutorial. If you're interested in Eullair's hair, I will leave their information down in the description box. And I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.